Hello everyone. I'm Insula Surya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Business College and Technology. Today we are here gathered for having a case study on what are the difficulties that our students are facing during interview times and what are the struggles they go through either because of communication or any sort of situational demands that they are need to do at the times of interviews. And we are going to see about, or we are going to discuss about as a case study that how the students are going to crack or how they are going to break that situations where they are feeling struggled. So here, as we have discussed about this earlier, we had a debate about this topic earlier, you know. Now we are coming on to the case study today, and we are going to discuss the points so that we can make others also to come out of this kind of situations where your friends are facing today's during interview times. So I would like to share one of my experience here. Today morning, one of my students called me from a previous college. She was telling like, ma'am, I'm very confident, you know, that I'm very strong. I used to talk very bold to people whom I'm very friendly with. But once I get into an interview, when I start to talk very professionally and when the people ask me very professional term questions, I become very nervous. And I'm not able to answer to that question. But I know that I'm very strong, but I'm not able to speak at the time. And I know a good communicator English where I can handle things, but still I feel the stress to communicate, or I'm not able to indicate what I'm exactly meaning to say that question. So this is a real time scenario. Every person has to go through this. Every person, even me, even everyone has, as we are going to be professionals one day, isn't it? So we all are going to be in that situation. So we have a trial, or we have a discussion here. What you people have to discuss on this particular topics and what is your findings as case study. Okay. So I would like to throw the platform to you so you can discuss the topics that you have already planned for.
And videos. Today I am going to talk about problem discovery and interviews. We learn English, finally students to understand that yes, identify key specialism, long waiting period, uncertainty, failure, and lack of feedback. Synthesis to increase insights into recurring themes and emotional pain points. Helpful is when that work on. Uncertainty causes more stress than direction. Stretch. Empathy plus vector problem is done.
Okay, very good. So sometimes students used to say that long waitings during interview create more stress to the students. That is reality. Because most of the recruitments will begin from morning till evening. And they will be waiting for many rounds sometimes, one first round, second round, third round. So we again. Sometimes we'll be very enthusiastic. Sometimes, if we have done all the first one, two, three, and all good, no, we'll be very enthusiastic. If we have feeling ourselves that no, I will do something better than this place, so will I be? So there you break our confidence, and they will feel sometimes stressed. Okay, that is also one a very valid point where students used to feel that discomfortable. So that's a very good point. Thank you so much, Giri. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Narmula A from CSA department. Today I'm going to talk about pain point definition and analysis. The first point was converting interview into clear product statement. The second point was the placement was mapped and bad access bad students having more stress. The key points are reduce the students stress by 50%. The strength is strong analytical thinking and ability to clearly understand and define the problems. Thank you.
Yes, I'm from CSE department. Now I talk about the topic of testing and mock interview validation. Conducted mock interviews on the user been testing these models. Collected feedbacks on stress results before and after using the prototype. Identified improvements such as notification not and then feedback timings. It helped that clearer communication reduced accidentally significantly. Strength. Testing mindset evidence based significantly. Active.
So as Nishan said here, it is that we have to have a feedback. Obviously, when students go for attending interviews, then efforts go and come. Even you do it for your vivas also. So when it comes to an interview, you'll be having an enthusiasm over what my friend did in the interview, how did he place the questions, or how did he throw his answers towards the interviewers. So here when it is coming live, it actually increases stress in you. You should not supposed to go and ask the feedback of the person who has gone and said no, because I have faced these scenarios in my life. When I go, I'll be very bold enough to face a panel. It is my criteria. Okay, I handle interviews or I handle people very differently. So when I am showing them I'm very confident, my questions are very less because that person will go ahead. Whatever I'm going to ask this person is going to give me the answer. So what happens is the questions are being released. At the same time, when I show that I'm very weaker, I'm not having that confidence, obviously the interviewers will give you so many questions. They want to make you finalize. Again and again, they will finalize you. They want to make sure that you're knowing what you are doing. And they want to find, because at the 10 minutes they do not know who you are. They never knew it, isn't it? So on the 10 minutes they will refining you again and again. So collecting feedbacks is a kind of a test that you are not supposed to do. You can avoid it, but you can have it as a learning after the interview sessions. I recommend it. Okay. So thanks for your points, Mr. Giri.
Hi guys, I'm Darshni from CCA department. So today I did student voice and expectation clarity. I focused on how unclear expectations in the placement process create more stress than rejection risk. When students don't know the timelines, shortlisting criteria, or what the next step is, they stay in constant pressure. I suggested you having clear expectations in the discussions at the beginning, so students know what to expect and can prepare accordingly. So my main point was clarity and predictability reduces anxiety. Even the result is uncertain, and this makes the entire treatment experience neat, fair, and manageable. Thank you.
So here, I said you said about collecting requests, and now you said about anxiety, pressure, what. So whatever the result is, you're not supposed to be afraid, or you will not be very collective about what is going to be happen, or you won't predict anything. If it is lost, it will come to you, isn't it? If that you have done a very good job and you're not worried about it, you can just stay positive with your without having any predictions, no stress. And before any interview, before attending any interviews, there is a criteria that they create for people to go through. I have seen many students go for interview without a resume. Or they know that previously they would have said, today there is an interview, come with them resume, they will not come. And at the neck of the moment of the interview, they'll run to the store to get a printer. So when doing those things and all, it will give unwanted stress over it. So you have to be very prepared what this company requires. Before attending a company's interview, probably 2 days before, try to get what the company needs, what kind of people are working there, how they are being performing. For example, nowadays LinkedIn is used for that purpose, isn't it? LinkedIn, everybody come and showcase their day-to-day experiences every day. So if it is used by that company in a very effective way, make use of it. Okay, so that's a very good thing that you have to be very motivated before attending an interview now in the process. Okay, thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Bhavani Shankar. To improve communication and coordination while looking for a job, focus on keeping the flow of information between you and the company simple and clear. Set expectations on when to respond, how to respond, and who will respond. Keep one thing in place for all updates so that you don't miss any information provided to you or to them. And remember that clear communication itself reduces a lot of stress while looking for a job. In short, simple and clear communication results to better coordination, which in turn build trust with any company that you seek. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna CSA department. So today I'm going to say a conclusion about this topic, that is focusing on communication clarity within the placement process. She worked on structuring how a based feedback and notification should be delivered to students. ensuring the languages was reassuring rather than stressful. Her effort helped make the placement buddy experience feel supportive instead of transactional. Strength, thoughtful communication design plus emotional sensitivity. Thank you.
In conclusion of this topic, we can avoid all these stressful situations with simple formations of preparations that you can have before going for an interview. It is like even taking and keeping your dress orderly, having a well prepared resume, knowing well about the companies, and how you're going to present yourself tomorrow, how am I going to look into the people and answer to their questions. The very simple steps can make a very big differences in your performance. So there is no need of very big discussions or how to get into or putting myself into stress or making your friends to be stressed. We can avoid all these things just by just being prepared yourself, and you think that I'm 100% confident, I'm eligible for anything. If the company pays me, that company is so lucky to have me. These are all the positive things you can manifest sometimes, the good things, so it can give you a very positive results in your interview. So I hope this generation, not only in this generation, every generation we are going to face the same stress during interviews. So follow basic rules that you can have a very good results in the future. So thank you so much for discussing the very valuable points here from the students of CSE. Thank you so much. Thank you.